In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Adobe After Effects out of memory error. If you've been working on a project and suddenly encounter this error, it can be quite frustrating. But don't worry, I'll guide you through a few steps to solve this issue quickly and efficiently. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to start by heading over to the Edit menu in After Effects. This will be your go-to spot for a number of operations, especially when it comes to managing memory. Once you're in the Edit menu, look for the option that says Purge. You might have guessed, this is where we'll clear up some memory space to accommodate your workflow needs. After selecting Purge, a little submenu will appear, and from there you should choose the option that says All Memory and Disk Cache. Clicking on this isn't the final step. You'll need to confirm your choice to clear out all cached frames and free up some RAM. Essentially, what you're doing is getting rid of any stored data that After Effects is hanging on to, but doesn't necessarily need, freeing up space to continue your work more smoothly. Now that you've done a bit of memory cleanup, it's time to make some adjustments so that this issue doesn't occur as frequently. Head back to the Edit menu. This time, look for Preferences. Within Preferences, you'll find various settings, but the one we're interested in right now is the RAM allocation. Here's where you can set how much RAM After Effects can use versus other applications on your computer. Maybe you've got a few other programs that are hogging more than their fair share of memory. Adjust the settings by reserving less RAM for other applications, allowing After Effects to use more of your available system memory. This can make a significant difference, especially when dealing with large projects. Once you're satisfied with your adjustments, go ahead and click OK. It's always a good idea to restart After Effects after making such changes to ensure that everything takes effect properly. Close down the program and then start it back up again. You'll find that with your cache cleared and RAM allocation optimized, After Effects should now run more smoothly, minimizing the likelihood of encountering that pesky out-of-memory error again. These simple adjustments not only save you from frustration, but also enhance your overall efficiency when working on resource-intensive projects. And there you have it. With these quick steps, you're now better equipped to handle and prevent the out-of-memory errors in Adobe After Effects, allowing you to stay focused on unleashing your creativity without being bogged down by technical issues. Thank you for watching, and happy editing!